Hey everyone, this is Ankit this side, and I'm the founder for A-Fi Knowledge Verse. For the last probably 6 months, me and my team have gathered a lot of information with regards to ChatGPT, the tool that we all know, which is creating history, and it's the need of the hour right now in order to learn ChatGPT, and not just ChatGPT but other AI tools as well, very similar to ChatGPT, right? So how do you transform yourself from nothing, right? So how do you transform being not using these tools, just being a normal average guy, and transforming completely by using these AI tools like ChatGPT? And how do you master the skill of using intelligent prompts, right? So the prompts that you're using currently within ChatGPT are very basic, and you need some guidance and support in a way, in order to transform yourself completely and use the intelligent prompts that are out there. Okay, so it's a skill that you need to develop, and it's a need of the hour right now. Okay, so I'm here to kind of help you, because it's in my vision and my mission to kind of help 1 million people to kind of leverage the latest technologies and tools like ChatGPT. Okay, and for that, what I've done is I've created within this entire space a master course which is called as ChatGPT Champion Model. Okay, and this video is going to be specific to the orientation in a way as to what's being covered within this the master course, uh, which is created by me and the team. Okay, so this link covers everything that's present out here for this course, and what it covers is one main course, which is intelligent prompts blueprint, and I'll explain you what all things are covered within each course as well. But let me just walk you through what all courses are covered. So it's a package or a bundle of multiple courses, starting with intelligence prompts blueprint. That's the flagship course within this the master module, right? So intelligence prompts blueprint is the course that you will get. After that, you will also get all the inner circle recordings, or the inner circle vaults, or inner circle masterminds that we call it, right? So we are not just coming here, viewing these courses and going back, but we have actually built a community, right? So a community of AI enthusiasts, a community of people who wants to learn about AI, a community of people who wants to help each other in terms of understanding the core concepts of AI, ChatGPT, and not just that, but other AI ML models as well, right? So as a community, we come together daily or probably weekly. We do some some Q&A sessions as well. We try to understand what's going on in the current world of AI. What are the news related to AI and ChatGPT, to be very specific, right? So we understand other tools as well. So all these sessions or the courses, sorry, the calls that we do are kind of recorded, and I post them within this inner circle recordings. Okay, so this is that space which you will get within this course when you apply for ChatGPT Champion Model, right? So the intelligence prompts blueprint is the flagship course, and along with that, you are also getting all the recordings. So just in case if you're not able to come live, then there are recordings of these sessions that we do, and you will get the recordings for that as well. Okay, so that's about inner circle mastermind. Then there are four, or probably I can say five variety of courses that you will kind of get additionally as part of the free substance or material along with your intelligence prompts blueprint, starting with AI content creation formula, right? So very important course that you will get for all the social media content creators out there, right? So how do you leverage AI and how do you leverage ChatGPT in order to get some stunning and great content created for your social media growth? So your YouTube growth and Twitter and Facebook, Instagram, all the major social media platforms are covered, and how do you actually leverage AI and ChatGPT, we've explained in that particular course. So let me go to the the mind map after that, and I'll explain you in detail, right? So not just the AI content creation, but also the productivity maximization formula. That's the next course that you'll get free of cost along with the flagship course. So how do you kind of leverage AI and ChatGPT and increase your productivity in a way, right? So almost 15 plus videos that are recorded within that one course, which is productivity maximization formula. And then coming to wealth, right? So how do you generate or create wealth with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tools, right? So that's being covered. How do you multiply that wealth, right? So not just generate some passive income, but actually some ideas that are that are shared in this um, the course, which is wealth multiplication formula. Okay, so watch out for that course, right? And then all about career acceleration, right? So how do you actually leverage AI and chat gpt in order to accelerate your career and take it to the next level, right? So that's the intent of career accelerator model, the course that you'll get free along with the flagship course, which is intelligence prompts blueprint. And then there are some elite catalogs, right? So elite ChatGPT prompts catalogs, almost 1000 plus prompts that are present in these catalogs that the team has prepared together and put together for each one of you, right? So all that comes free of cost along with the flagship course, which is the intelligence prompts blueprint. And not just this, there's a 21-day challenge as well that will be added as part of the entire course. So watch out for that thing as well. So we're gonna keep it like as an engaging content, so that it becomes like a challenging thing for you. So a 21-day challenge is something that will be introduced within the ChatGPT champion model. Okay, so watch out for that part as well. Okay, so now let's just move to the mind map, and let me just explain you in detail about each section or each course, right? So what's being covered in each course in greater detail. Okay, so intelligence prompts blueprint has two modules that we will kind of cover. The first module covers a lot of topics like how do you kind of set up the entire chat gpt. If you are like a new beginner, if you don't know anything about chat gpt, it doesn't matter. Okay, so all that is covered within that video section, and the differences between ChatGPT 3.5 version and the ChatGPT 4.0 version, right? The free plan and the plus plan from ChatGPT. So all that is covered. Okay, you'll understand the differences right in the first video itself. Okay, and then there are series of prompts, right? So actors prompt techniques, formula based intelligence prompts technique, table creation technique, step by step prompt technique, AI critic prompt technique, zero shot, one shot, few shot, jack of all prompts. So a lot of different variety of techniques that we have kind of introduced, and you'll understand as to what a basic prompt is and what an intelligent prompt is. So all these techniques are being explained in so much detail that you will kind of become a ChatGPT champion just after the module first of the flagship course itself, right? So it's been designed in such a way, and the assignments are placed in such a way right after every video that once you complete those assignments, you are like kind of good to go, something of that sort. So watch out for each and every video, and once you're onboarded, you can kind of have these practice assignments done. It's very engaging, and as a community we review all these assignments, we kind of provide feedback. So there is an entire support forum for each course, right, that's being created. So you not only talk with me, but also you talk with other peers as well, right? So that helps you in a way to extend and expand your knowledge within the community, right? So that's the aim and the motive of learning together, right? Learning together and growing together, that's what we want, right? So that's what module 1 covers. Module 2 covers a lot of tools. So these are like flagship tools that we have kind of placed within this flagship course. So AI PRM, Flow GPT, Merlin, Monica, some differences between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4.0, that will be covered. Microsoft Bing, so how you can actually use ChatGPT 4.0 version for free, that's been covered within that video. And what all capabilities are there with Microsoft Bing, that's been explained, right? So what all things that you can do actually for free, I've curated all that within that video itself. And then what is the difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT, right? So where Google Bard is more advanced, and where it can help you get the right content on Google Bard versus ChatGPT. So some certain use cases that I'll be explaining in that video, wherein Google Bard is more effective than ChatGPT. Okay, so you should need to know that as well. Okay, that's what is covered within the first flagship course, which is the Intelligence Prompts Blueprint. And you'll be amazed to see the content right in the first video, or the first course itself, right? Because that's the main root course, right, that we have kind of designed together as a team. Okay, so that's about Intelligence Prompts Blueprint. Then uh, five different courses. The first one is the AI content creation formula, right after the flagship course. So the module 1 of AI content creation formula covers the various social media platforms, right? So how you can actually leverage AI and ChatGPT for your YouTube channel growth, for your Instagram channel growth, Facebook, Twitter, all those social medias are like covered. Okay, how you can use AI for writing blogs and articles. Okay, I've covered that element as well. How you can use it for email marketing, copywriting, landing pages, right? So all those people who are kind of looking out for creating your own websites, designing your own websites with the help of ChatGPT and AI, that's covered as well here. Okay, and then finally LinkedIn, right? So a great tool that we already know in order to kind of have your career accelerated in a way, and you should always have your LinkedIn channel up to the mark, right? So that gives you enough visibility, and kind of you can promote yourself on LinkedIn as well, right? So that's covered within the AI content creation formula, all the social media content that will look into with the help of AI and ChatGPT. Okay, so that's about the second course. The third one is the productivity maximization formula. So one module covering a lot of tools that we have kind of uh, investigated. So there are like thousands and thousands of AI tools out there in the market, right? But we have kind of investigated a lot of them, and out of that we have come to this final list of tools, which is kind of which is having that variety, right? So what all things that you need in terms of getting your productivity maximized, we have kind of analyzed these tools, right, which is going to take your productivity to the next level, right? So Magic Slides is one of the tools which is very valuable in a way in the market for generating some great stunning presentations with the help of AI and ChatGPT. And not just Magic Slides, there is Gamma and To Me.app as well, which is covered, which is for your presentation skills, and how you can kind of leverage ChatGPT to automate your presentations, right? So that's being covered. Easy peasy. Monica, Merlin, these are like extensions that you should be having, and which is going to kind of take your productivity to the next level. Hey Pi, Loom Elixir, PDF.ai, these are like very renowned tools that in my opinion are like very effective in a way. And these videos, I mean videos for each and every tool, there are like Notion documents prepared. There are so many prompts that you're going to get within that one single Notion document per video, right? And you just need to copy and paste those prompts, and you're good to go. Just you need to edit your own use case with that prompt, and you're good to go. Okay, so uh, learning about these tools is one thing, but the content that is being shared, right, within each video, and then the practice assignments as well after that is going to like completely amaze you in a way. And I'm pretty sure about it that you're going to learn a lot from these videos that we have placed together, right? Leonardo Runway ML. So a lot of opportunities for creating those stunning images with the help of AI and ChatGPT, right? So all that is covered part of the third course, which is the productivity maximization formula. The wealth multiplication model, that's the next one. Again, it has one module, and it covers a lot of topics with regards to how you can earn some passive income, right? With the help of ChatGPT and AI. So Hustle GPT, the concept of Hustle GPT has been explained in a two-part series. So part A and part B. Those videos are going to help you understand that concept of Hustle GPT, then how you can actually write ebooks, right, with the help of ChatGPT. The entire process of writing an ebook over a weekend, right, in a 2-day period, you can actually launch your ebook right from scratch. So all the prompts are being given in that one Notion document, which is going to help you generate great ebooks and publish that on a lot of various portals like Gumroad and all that. So that's been explained in that video. And not just ebook, newsletters as well, right? So how do you actually from scratch start an email newsletter and build your audience? So that's being covered as well in these modules, right? So Fiverr.com, another great web, this opportunity for earning some passive income. And that freelancing career, if you are want to opting want to opt for that freelancer career kind of a thing, then Fiverr.com is a tool for you, right? So all that is been explained in great details as to how you can get started with Fiverr.com, and how you can kind of leverage your skills that you've learned in the previous videos in a way, in the previous courses in a way, and apply it in this particular module of this course. Okay, so prompt ideas, another great marketplaces that are present out there, and how you can actually sell your prompts, right? So all those ideas are like kind of shared within these videos, and you can kind of go through it as part of the wealth multiplication model. Okay, and last but not least, the career accelerator model. So everything you need in a way in order to get your career accelerated with the help of ChatGPT and AI is being covered in this particular module of this course, right? So how do you get your resume ATS ready, right? So ATS is the concept when all these companies, right, who are kind of hiring the people, they go through your resume, kind of goes through that ATS process. Okay, so what is ATS and all that is being covered as part of this video. Then role play techniques for your career, interview preparations with ChatGPT, creating professional PPTs with magic slides and all that is kind of a recap covered there. Freelancing, gig economy, right? The concept of gig economy is covered. How do you optimize your LinkedIn profile with AI? Cover letters, use cases for AI in multiple industries that I've explained. Lexicon, Adobe Firefly. These are the various tools: ChatGPT Writer, Lawbot Pro, Humata, and AIPM. So very very effective tools is what I've explained in that module. Each video has a lot of variety of prompts that are present in the Notion document that will be shared as part of that video, so that you can kind of go through the prompts that are already made available completely free, and it gives you immense value. Okay, that's being covered in the career accelerator model. And then the elite ChatGPT prompt catalog, like I said, so 1,000 plus prompts library is present in that one single Notion document. So a lot of the variety of prompts for whichever use case or whichever profession that you are in, everything is covered as part of that one single Notion document. So 1,000 plus prompts you can kind of access within that one single Notion document. And also the second Notion document will cover the 1,100 plus ChatGPT prompts for content marketing. Okay, so specific to content, there are 1,000 plus prompts that are made available within that elite catalog, which will be made available to you. free of cost along with the other courses as part of ChatGPT champion model. Okay, and not just this, so this is the whole course, right, that we have kind of placed, but there is also live coaching that we will do. So we are going to meet every day, we're going to talk and discuss as a community, as a team. So as part of the entire ChatGPT champion model package, you are also going to get access to the live coaching, right? So live classes is something that we are going to conduct. We're going to meet every day. We're going to follow that sprint methodology, right? So I'll be explaining about what sprint is, and what are we going to do in each sprint. What is the plan for the each sprint? How are we going to demo as to what we have learned for the entire week. So there will be like weekly sprints, bi-weekly sprints, and a lot of engaging activities as a community that we're going to do. Okay, and there are awards as well that I'll be sharing. There'll be kind of hackathon activities where there's going to be annual meetups. There is going to be a lot of various things and engagements within the community. So live coaching, one-to-one calls. So I'll be giving access to the one-to-one calls as well. So you can directly kind of speak with me as well. That's a part of this live coaching activity that we're going to do. Okay, so uh, a lot of stuff, a lot of things that are going to happen within that space, and everything will be recorded in a way and will be made available as part of the intelligent those mastermind sessions, right, that inner circle masterminds call recording. So everything will be a part of this, so you'll have the access. Even if you are not able to attend it live, you can probably watch these recordings at a later stage, so that your learnings don't stop, right? That's the aim and the motto of our community. Okay, so for more information you can find out everything about the ChatGPT champion model with this link. Okay, so you can find it out on the courses section. You can go there within the AFI Knowledge Wars website, and then we'll have ChatGPT champion model as part of the package, right? So all the courses that are the standalone courses are being covered and packaged into one single bundle, and you can directly make the purchase for the bundle itself, which is the ChatGPT champion model. So you don't need to purchase the courses as standalone. Everything is bundled into one package. Okay, so watch out for that part, and I hope you have downloaded the the app, right? We have our own app, so all the learnings and these courses, sessions, everything can be accessed through the Android app. The experience would be very immersive in a way. So we have our own app as well. So if you haven't kind of downloaded the app, please do that, so that your experience is immersive, and it takes you to the next level, right? And the master classes would be kind of conducted. So if you want to kind of have these master classes attended and want to know more about these courses and um, kind of experience that as part of the webinar, then we'll be conducting a lot of master classes as well. And there are free stuff that are made available within our portal, right? So the blog network, the digital products, so all the guides and ebooks and everything is kind of made available for free, so you can kind of download that as well, free of cost. Okay, so that's what I wanted to showcase within this one video, wherein I explain the entire orientation as to what you're going to get within ChatGPT champion model. Okay, and I hope you got that clarity now. All right, so I'll see you inside ChatGPT champion model, and wishing and hoping all the very best to each one of you out there. Thank you.